Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. I have a new product that I bought with my own money, so it is always an honest review about this tire inflator. Just arrived today from Carson, and there are really many out there, and this one is one that did sell thousands of units, and you can get them from different websites on Aliexpress from different vendors, to say it correctly. And I paid actually only $26. It was on sale. Right now it's $32.95. You can check around. I will put affiliate links in the description below the video so you can check them out. And I would get a small percentage so I can keep continuing buying stuff and showing it to you. So without further ado, let's close that window there. Let's open it. This is my OTF knife. You can also find links in the description below where you can buy it. Aliexpress, of course. Let's see how this opens up. Oh, yeah. It opens from the top. There you go. Box outside. It has two batteries with a total of 2600 milliamp. Why it's also important is not just about the runtime, it also acts as a power bank. So it has LED lighting, tire pressure monitoring, fast inflation, depending on what you're inflating, deflation, and here are the specs. You can pause the video if you like to read them, and let's see what we get. Of course, the obligatory power cable. You guys have probably hundreds of them. Nicely packaged though, I would have to say. Okay, we have, sorry about that, I hit my phone on the arm. We have a manual in English. I won't go through all of it now. Let's look at the product. Actually, yeah, English, Spanish, German, auf Deutsch, Deutsche Anleitung, Polish, Czech Republic, so Netherlands, France, Italian, I think all major languages. Let's see this. Whoop. It's really nicely built, I have to say. Let's do this. Whoa, that was loud. I think I'm holding it upside down. Yeah. So let's power it up. On. I guess the battery is low. It's showing a red. That's the preset pressure. It's currently in PSI mode. I think I have to go to the menu, because otherwise I'm gonna be talking nonsense here. Long press to turn off. I like the animation. This is the inflator. You obviously screw this in on the top, and then it goes really tight in there, and then you have the connector for the valve, and then this one also turns itself, so if you turn it, not the whole thing does turn. So I think that's pretty neat. And this will be just a first part hardware review, I would say. Some of them do come with pouches, this one does not. Battery level must be 30%, red indicator means below 30%, so please charge promptly. I think this button will, yeah, let's seems to be mechanical. De-inflate, yeah, the tire or whatever you have there. And then you have here a flap, little hard to open with short fingernails. Oh, it doesn't come out, good, you won't lose it. And you have accessories here. I think this is for bicycle tires. This one you can use to inflate balls, and also some balls that have a thin hole to do that. I put these in later on without losing them. And this is it, attachment storage. It has CE certification. Oh yes, the top, it has a top. USB connector. I would say this is for as power supply, as power bank, and this is for charging, and it does have a built-in LED. So I will charge this up and then continue with the review, so stay tuned, don't go away. So I'm back with part 2 within the video, and I showed you this, which I mean, obviously you saw the beginning of the video if you're still watching. Anyway, it was on red, which meant less than 30%. I did charge it up, and I read the manual, which actually you only need to know about 3 sets of buttons, which is right this here. You can pause the video if you like. So anyway, long press on the power turns it on, and then you have the mode button on the right, where you can change between car, bicycle, motorcycle, bicycle, balls. Well, I guess you can blow up people. And anyway, and car again. And if you long press and hold it for long, it changes from the Einheiten, the units. So I had on bar, kilopascal, kilogram per square centimeters, PSI, what most Americans use, and we in Europe use bar. And then here you can change with the plus and minus buttons how high you want it to go. I normally inflate my car tires to 2.2, which I will do in succession of this part, so if you stay you will see it. And here with the light, you have the light button on the top. One push white, second red black police light, and the third one is SOS in red, and you click it again, it turns off. The white light is it goes very wide, so it doesn't have much illumination power even at night. So but if you're at night next to your tire on the road, you will definitely see it, that's for sure. So let's turn that off again. And if you want to know how loud it is inside the house, it will sound louder, pretty loud I guess. Maybe I should warn you. Can you hear me? Anyway, outside it will not be as loud. And I will actually also mount this on my car with the phone that with my Sony phone that I'm recording right now, and record it so I have both hands free and I don't have to put anything on the floor. So anyway, this is the link for the pump, and it also acts as power brick, I told you. And here I have a small USB LED that I can plug in, and after a while this screen at least turns off, and then you still have power on the outlet. Looks like a walkie-talkie with a shorty antenna. Anyway, so stay tuned if you want to see the rest of the video. Okay, now that I attached my electronic suction cup to my car, I had to clean that part a little bit because it was dirty, as you see. Hold on 1 second. I really like this magic arm. Okay. So in case you can see my dirty tire. Turn this on. Kids don't do this at home. Again, I don't know if you can see it or not. Attach it here. Okay, perfect. As you can see, it's 1.86, and well, with the time on the video, we will see how fast it will go up. Perfect. Before I will show you what I have as a compressor that is, I think, over 30 years old, and with that I had to attach it to the car, and since I couldn't trust its manometer, wait 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Now I can see what I'm doing. This is my old mini compressor, and 12 volt, 8 amps, 96 watt, Germany, and I wish there would be a date on here, but it's still working. It's a little broken. As I said, I had this, I think, for over 30 years now, and with this you cannot, it's not precise enough, so I had to stop it, unplug it, measure it, put it on there, and so on. And now I can do it with the this beauty. And it does shut off. It goes relatively quick. I do not know how long it will take if the tire is full flat. That I don't know. But as far as topping it up, beautiful. So, and for this money, it's shutting down right now, auto shutdown. You can't beat it. So this concludes the test of this portable compressor. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will get back to you. And now I can also do technically a test drive with the mount. That's actually the car door flexing, not the magic arm. So anyway, thanks for watching. As I said, links are in the description. If there are affiliate links, I did buy this with my own money, but affiliate links I do get a couple cents if you buy them through that. Thank you very much and take care everybody.